Look what I have behind me. Hi everyone, it's Sam from the Bodycentre here. Welcome to our YouTube channel. The Bodycentre is an accident repair and vehicle refinishing centre based in Norfolk. We have a passion for repairing and customising vehicles to the highest standard possible. Come with us behind the scenes and follow our journey. 2 Mercedes AMG GTSs, one in solar beam yellow and one in selenite grey. Gorgeous, gorgeous cars. Now, both the cars are coming in the same day actually for some work. Both the cars are having a black pack, so all the chrome on both cars are going to be removed. The solar beam yellow one is having calipers, lowering springs, spacers, window tints. That one's having quite a lot of work. The selenite grey, like I say, full black pack. We've got the rear strut in the back going red as well, with some few other little tweaks. I want to take you guys behind the scenes and show you the full processes of both of these 2 different cars. But let us know in the comments below, which colour do you prefer? Let's go. So we are now in the prep stage with the Mercedes AMG. Drew is on the bits. All the bits are going gloss black. They're all rubbed down. Had a few little chips on, so they're all top stopped up. They're done. Drew is now rubbing down the calipers over here. They're obviously a gloss red at the moment. We're going to be rubbing those down and painting them car colour, solar beam yellow. It's going to look awesome. Applying the decals back on as well, lacquered in, same as always. The car is on the ramp over there through strip and fit. Nelly's now putting all the springs back on. The lowering springs, that's going to sit much lower. Once all the wheels are back on, we've got some spaces as well to kick the wheels out, get a really nice stance on there. It's all going to plan so far. With the solar beam yellow, it is a 3-stage pearl, so we've got a ground coat, obviously the pearl coat and the lacquer on top. A little longer process than a normal straight red, so Adam's looking forward to hitting those. Hope you're enjoying the video. Keep watching. So the AMG is now complete. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. As you've seen throughout, we have done a full exterior black pack. We've lowered the vehicle on KW Automotive springs. We have fitted some blow-off valves, so it now sounds crazy. We took the calipers off, painted them the same colour as the car, which looks awesome. Tinted the windows. I think that's everything. The transformation is incredible. It's actually been away for tuning. It's all now tuned up, so the car it's Larry. It's mad. The owner of this car, I don't know if he'll let me say this, but we'll see what happens. He actually owns McDonald's, so this colour, he had to have it. Thank you for watching the video, guys. We will see you next time. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, blah blah blah. See you next time.